Chaos, tragedy, and a massive shakeup in Tirupati. 6 lives were lost in a stampede, and now heads are rolling. Who is responsible for this disaster at one of India's holiest sites? Watch to learn more. A day after 6 devotees lost their lives in a stampede at the Sri Venkateshwara Swami temple in Tirumala, the Andhra Pradesh government has acted swiftly. The tragedy unfolded when the gates of Padmavati Park, where tickets for the Vaikuntha Ekadashi festival were being distributed, opened unexpectedly. Devotees rushed forward, leading to a fatal crush. Scores were injured and 6 lost their lives. Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu visited the site of the stampede and wasted no time holding officials accountable. Tirupati's Deputy Superintendent of Police Ramana Kumar and TTD's SV Dairy Farm Director Harinath Reddy have been suspended. Meanwhile, Tirupati SP L Subarayudu, TTD's Chief Vigilance and Security Officer S. Sridhar, and Joint Executive Officer M. Gautami were transferred. Deputy SP Ramana Kumar, responsible for crowd control, opened the gates to assist a woman with breathing issues, but the move triggered panic as devotees rushed forward, mistaking it as the start of ticket distribution. CM Naidu criticized Kumar's failure to assess the situation and called the stampede a result of negligence at multiple levels. Harinath Reddy, meanwhile, was faulted for choosing unsuitable locations for ticket counters. Naidu remarked that both the police and TTD officials had taken their responsibilities too lightly, resulting in this tragic incident. The Chief Minister has ordered a judicial probe to investigate the incident and prevent such mishaps in the future. He proposed issuing festival tickets at district levels to reduce crowding at the temple. Deputy Chief Minister K. Pawan Kalyan also visited the site and accused both the TTD and police of poor planning. He stressed that the influx of devotees ahead of the festival should have been anticipated and managed better. The tragedy has fueled political tension, with the opposition YSR Congress Party seizing the opportunity to criticize the Naidu government. YSRCP leader Velampalli Srinivasa Rao called it a black day in the TTD's history, blaming government negligence for the loss of lives. The Tirupati stampede has raised serious questions about crowd management and accountability. With 6 lives lost and scores injured, the tragedy serves as a grim reminder of the dangers of mismanagement. The judicial probe will determine the extent of the lapses, but for now, the people of Tirupati demand answers and action.